So now that we have the contour idealized, we've been able to hide the margin between the composite and the tooth structure. There's no surface defects, it's nice and smooth. Now we go to the polishing stage. The polishing stage is super fast. We're going to be using cups and discs to get us our final polish. We'll start out first with the pink cup. The pink flexi cup, again from Cosmonet. We're going to use that similarly to how we use the blue cup. That is, it allows us to get underneath the soft tissue at the cervical margin into that sulcus. So because of that great flex of that cup, it can really work down into that subgingival margin and clean up really nicely at the sulcus. You can also see the polish that you can see from using that flexi cup for just that limited time. So now I go to my polishing disc with my flexi disc system. Start out with my yellow disc. And you can use the disc so it's facing towards the handpiece, or you can use the disc so it's facing away. I tend to like it facing, but I do it both directions. Now looking underneath the scope, I'm going to put a lot of flex on the disc. I'm really increasing the speed now. You can really see the polish that's coming out on that composite. I go over to my pink disc, and again, use that pink disc and flex that disc as much as you can over the tooth surface to get as much of the disc onto the composite and tooth surface as you can. And you can see what an incredible polish you get. And we haven't even used our polishing paste, but just because it's this microfill, which has this crazy polish, and with using these discs, you get just a super polish on your composite.